Hello everyone, this is Andrew from Tech Talk. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add subtitles of your Hulu account. This continues our series on Hulu tech tutorials, so if you have any other questions about Hulu, make sure to check out all of our other videos. So the first thing you're going to have to do to add subtitles is you can actually start playing whatever you would like to watch. So we're just going to scroll down. Going to press play. You'll see this starts playing. Right next to the volume is this button right here. You're going to select that. You're going to see you can add subtitles right here. So you're going to select that and you're going to hit English. Once there, you'll see now you have subtitles. This will toggle on for all of your shows, so even if you go out of this and come back in, your subtitles will be on. Now, if you don't like the look of these subtitles, you can go customize those by going in here, hit settings, and you can see right here, you can change the look of your subtitles. You can change colors, anything like that. You can go with default or a custom look. You can even change the sizing. Once you're done, you're going to hit done. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and hit that like button. You can also hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our other videos on Tech Talk. Thanks and have a great day.